Standard 7 Subject History. Lesson number 1 Sources of History. Children, we studied ancient Indian history last year. This year, we will be studying medieval period of Indian history. The period from 9th century CE till the end of 18th century CE is considered as medieval period. History gives us detailed information about past events, and following are the important factors of history. First is individuals, second is society, third is place, and fourth is time. History is based on the authentic evidence and proof. They are known as sources of history. We should support our study with historical sources. These sources have to be verified and we should check its authenticity. We should use these sources only after critical analysis. There are three types of sources of history. First one, material sources, second one, written sources, and third one, oral sources. Material sources includes forts, monuments, buildings, coins, inscriptions, and cave sculptures. Forts are of different types. For example, hill forts, forest forts, and sea forts. One best example of sea fort is a Sindhudurg fort. Monuments include samadhis, graves, and veergalas. Here in this picture, you can see the samadhi of Shri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. And next picture is of veergalas. Our next material source is buildings. Palaces, ministerial mansions, queen's quarters, houses of common people are included in it. Our next material source is coins. Coins like kaudi, damdi, dhela, pai, paisa and rupee are used since ancient times. Different rulers use various metals like gold, silver, copper to make coins. We came to know about the rulers, their period, governance, religious ideas, personal details, financial transactions, and economic conditions from ancient coins. We can find images of Ram Sita on the coins of Emperor Akbar or images of Shiv Parvati on the coins of Hyder Ali. Peshwas used Arabic or Persian language on their coins. Thank you.